My friends, real friends, better than your friends, yeah. That's how we keep popping out that binge, yeah. Both friends, real friends, better than your friends, yeah. SMS them, they know all my business.
Hey my forevers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by Beyonce's Beyhive. So I wanted to create a video where you guys are able to go to her concert and feel your oats and feel your looks and, you know, just be popping and be like, oh, Justin showed me how to do this. This is Justin showed me how to do this. I'm joking. It's gonna be fun. Double wing liner, a little gold, a little this, a little that, you know, just something to razzle dazzle your experience at the concert. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I am going to be starting out with my eyebrows. I already did my skin off camera. So if you guys want to see how I did my skin routine, you can click right here. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start with my brows. For my brows, I am going to be using the spiked eyebrow pencil from M.A.C Cosmetics. And this is how it looks. It's just a little, you know, I like to fill in my brows just a little bit, not too much, no blocks. You know, you kind of want to look like Beyonce a little bit. You want to, you know, you want that fluffy, you know, well-groomed brow with just a little bit of pencil, just a little bit of pencil in the brow. And I also like to just fill in like the little gaps and whatnot. So now that we have our two fluffy Beyonce brows, what I'm gonna do next is conceal just the bottom layer of my brow. Just the bottom layer, what? Just the bottom parts of my brow with the Pro Longwear Concealer from M.A.C in the shade NC45. So now I'm just going to blend this concealer out with my M.A.C 242 brush. Tap and blend. I also wanted to make this tutorial fairly easy for beginners and, you know, people who know what they're doing. So as far as eyeshadows and transition colors and, you know, dark colors and all that, blah, 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 I only use one shade, and the shade that I will use is my bronzer from COVERGIRL, Ebony Bronze. Then I am going to continue to use the same 242 brush from M.A.C. So if you have this shade, if you're my complexion, if you have this shade, you can use this as well. Or if you're lighter or a little darker, you can use your bronzer to achieve the same look. So I always like to start right here in this little area of my eye. Kind of go in front of the brow as well. It's kind of making a shape for me right here in these areas. It's kind of starting up my shape that I always like to go for. I basically define this part as the crease of my eye, right there. So now that we have that base color down, what I'm gonna do next is take my 52 Cosmetics and then take this yellow right here, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. We have that yellow glitter down. I'm gonna go in with my liner, M.A.C brushstroke liner in the shade Black. So I'm gonna go ahead and create my wing. Popping as it's popping. Now that we have this wing on, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera and then come back with the gold wing liner. So you guys, I have both of my wings on. Comment down below if you think they are twins or sisters. What do you think? So for our next wing, I am going to be using the Starry Dyed Absolute New York Shimmer liquid liner in the gold shade. So now that we have our doubled wings on, I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera. Lashes are on, and I purchased these bad boys from AliExpress. I will have a link down below where you guys can purchase these same lashes. I absolutely love them. So now we're gonna get into lining my waterline, and I'm going to be using the Smolder eye pencil from M.A.C Cosmetics. So now I'm going to use EMBARK eyeshadow from M.A.C Cosmetics to smoke out my lower lash line. For a highlighter today, I'm going to be using my M.A.C Cosmetics Gold Deposit with my Sephora Scope Contour Brush. I use it for highlighting most of the time, but it's really a contour brush. For lips, I am going to be using 3 of my M.A.C products. This is Bittersweet Lip Liner. This is Naturally Transformed, and this gloss is Go for Gold. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.